Hey y'all, my name's Kaitie Ray, and you may have seen me on Sunny Disposition, but if you haven't, make sure to check it out at 30a.tv. And also, don't forget to download our apps. So Paul was doing the weather, but he's not a meteorologist, and neither am I, but I at least have a minor in meteorology from the Florida State University. Go Noles! So here goes nothing. You probably heard we had a storm. We have a storm rolling in this week, and here's an update on Hurricane Dorian. So as of this morning, it was a tropical storm, but by 5 p.m., the National Hurricane Center upgraded it to a hurricane, and that is because of these 80-mile-per-hour winds right here. You have to be 74 miles per hour to be considered a hurricane, sustained winds. So just picture driving down I-10. That's pretty much how fast you gotta go. So, dangerous winds and heavy rainfall are going to continue around the Virgin Islands, Puerto Rico area during the next few hours and can produce flash flooding through Thursday morning. And there's a risk of storm surge, dangerous storm surge, hurricane force winds this weekend along the Florida coast. You can see these spaghetti plot models are just kind of a prediction of where they think it's kind of gonna go. And as you can see, it's kind of heading our way. So make sure to stay updated and be weather aware. If you live anywhere in Florida, really, just make sure you and your family have their hurricane plan in place. And it's okay that we don't know exactly where the eye is going to hit, but it's too soon to know exactly where. But just be prepared and be ready for anything. Heavy rains are expected to occur over parts of the Bahamas, Florida, and elsewhere in the southeast United States later this week and into early next week. But don't let anything I'm saying put a damper on your weekend plans. If you're going out to Gulf Coast Jam in Panama City, have a great time, because I promise you, you're going to be fine. It's going to be a lot of fun, and it won't even really rain till later, so you'll be good. Just be prepared, be weather aware, and just keep swimming like Hurricane Dory. And thanks for watching, and stay tuned to 30A TV for more updates.